Hi viewers, welcome back to the Nibble Bowl. Today I'm going to share with you a weight loss juice. We know Mosambi plays an important role in weight loss training. Because of its acidic nature, Mosambi helps to promote digestion and immune system stronger. It's rich in vitamin C, it's good for skin, hair, eyes, etc. In brief, consuming Mosambi juice helps you in improving your overall health. And the main thing is it helps weight loss. So let's get started. For the juice, I'm adding 1 Mosambi. It's peeled and cut into small pieces. Then adding some water into it. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of honey. It's optional and you can add as per your choice. Now blend it all up. In weight loss journey, sugar is not healthy and honey is good because it's rich in antioxidants and helps lower blood pressure. It's better to use honey to replace other forms of sugar. You can make this Mosambi juice without honey also. Looks so pulpy, but I'm not straining the juice because it's rich in fiber. Certain types of fiber may also promote weight loss, lower blood sugar levels, and keeping your digestive system clean and healthy. So, our Mosambi juice is ready. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for getting more updates. Do like, share and keep watching.